Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This video is just a quick update going through the unboxing of the Huron Speed V3 AC turbo kit for F-bodies. Kit came in the mail in a couple separate packages. Elected to have the cold side powder coated black, like a satin black, so it came a little bit later than everything else. Intercooler actually came separate. I think it was drop shipped from, I think it was XS Power also. XS Power wastegate and XS Power blow-off valve. I mentioned other videos about that. And then the BMR K-member came in a separate box. And it's the black hammer tone finish. Pretty much everything here you see is just unboxing. I couldn't really do video at the time, mainly because my 3-year-old son was running around when I was going through this, and if any of you have any kids, you'll know what it's like with a 3-year-old boy. He wants to get in the middle of everything and assist. So I was lucky enough to get some photos. I'm just going through the boxes, and you can kind of, what you see is what you get. As far as if you order one of these kits, this is likely how it's going to come to you. Very well packaged, good quality parts, no issues anywhere I could tell, very nice welds. Looks like everything is good to go, so I'm really excited about getting this on the motor. Be starting that soon, and I'll do a video of that. Just kind of do the fitment, and then I'll wrap it and adjust it as needed. Probably need some further adjustment when it goes on the K-member. So without any further ado, here are the pictures of the unboxing of the V3 AC turbo kit from Huron Speed. Enjoy, click subscribe, and like the video if you enjoyed it. Thanks.